Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. I'm in the building. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. If you don't know who I am a professional day trader. I day trade the financial markets Monday to Friday, and I also swing trade the cryptos, okay? And I only look at the charts. That's it. That's how I make my money. This is how I'm able to do it full time. Because all of the nonsense like news, YouTubers, CNBC, all that stuff is nonsense and noise to me because it doesn't really help you, okay? And it's not really that accurate, you know. And of course, I'm talking about the fundamentals too, okay? Now, unless you have, when it comes to the fundamentals, right, in the news, unless you have inside connections or a service that is basically exclusive, that's really not available to the public, you're basically playing a losing game when it comes to the news fundamentals, you know. So I only look at the charts because the charts is the only way to see what the market is really doing, okay? And I think that's the best way a retailer, okay, a small guy or a girl, okay, small people like us, this is the best way for us to look at the market and see what it's doing, okay? We don't have access to exclusive information. We don't have that. So the best thing we can use is what's right in front of us. It's the charts. All right. This is why it's very important to learn how to read the charts. So if you're definitely interested in that, hit that subscribe button right now. Right now, Bitcoin is dropping. We're going to talk about that today. We're going to look at a couple more charts, answer a few questions. All right. So let's get this party started. All right. Let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. All right, entertainment only. And if you're watching that replay, you can actually hit the speed button, hit 1.5, hit 2 to actually speed up the replay button. Okay. I'm sorry to speed up the replay, and shout out to everybody that's watching that replay. So let's go to this coin market cap real quick. Right now, I'm looking at the market cap is at 126 billion. Okay, the Bitcoin dominance is at 52.4, which is telling us, right? Which is telling us that the bear market is still alive. Bitcoin dominance is above 50. You know, when it's above 50, it's telling us, hey man, that bear market is alive and well. All right. The volume is still, you know, slow. I mean, well, low, I'll put like that. And you know, we had a drop today. Nothing crazy, but still, you know, it's a drop. So let's get this party started. Let's pop out this chat room. If I do see anybody, shout out to everybody that's here. All right. Shout out to all my subscribers that's tuning in. That's gonna come in later. All right. And of course, if you have any questions, you can type it in. And let me see how many people is on this stream right now. Just give me a second, guys. We're gonna look at this chart real quick. Let's go to the 4-hour. All right, so this is very simple, guys. Very simple. All right. The last time I went live, okay, guys, the last time I went live, I talked about seeing Bitcoin dropping some more. Okay, we talked about that. I don't know if you guys remember, but last time, you know, we talked about seeing Bitcoin dropping down. Okay, now. Also, I told you guys that I want to see if this level will hold. Okay. All right, this level right here. So let me draw this. I want to see if this level will hold. Okay. Right now, it's looking kind of suspect. So it looks like we might see continuation and maybe drop some more. Okay. Now, if it drops some more, then it's a strong chance that we're gonna wipe these guys out right here. Okay, these guys. So if you don't know who I'm talking about, these guys right here. Okay, these guys that went long right here, most likely these guys are gonna get wiped out. Okay, this is how it is. This is how they, this is how the games. You know, this is how the wells play. It's just what it is. They stop you out. All right. Now, my guess is if they're gonna come all the way down here, all right. Just a guess. You know, if they're gonna come all the way down here, it doesn't make any sense to go right back up. All right. So most likely they're gonna continue to go back down. So this is not, most likely it's not gonna be in one move unless they decide to sell this baby off, crazy tomorrow. So I'm definitely waiting to see how tomorrow the candle looks, because honestly we really haven't got like a decent flush to the upside or downside. So I'm guessing the next time we get a decent flush is if we break out of this. Okay, if we break out of this, maybe we get a decent flush. So like I said, guys, we talked about this before, how they want to keep this market up. I kind of figured that out. I kind of figured that out because when they pumped us up right here, I was like, oh well, I see what these guys are doing. Okay, they just want to get your guys' hopes up. Keep it up for a good maybe 3 months. All right, and then decide to go lower. Now the question is, do I think they're gonna go lower? Yes. All right. Honestly, it doesn't make any sense to create a bottom right now. All right, not right now. Doesn't make any sense. And I'm quite sure they want to wipe people out right here. Okay. All this looks like, guys, is just consolidation, just for that next move down. All right, that's all it looks like. Just what it is. So I'm waiting for it to go right back to the lows. Now, the problem is, right, when it goes back to the lows, they're gonna most likely play more games because it's gonna be obvious that's gonna be a breakout, right? So if it goes back to the lows, okay, like around 33-ish, it's gonna be too obvious. Okay, so you have to expect some type of bounce from that level, and most people are gonna say, oh well, a double bottom or something like that, crazy. So you have to expect that too. But most likely, if they go back to the lows, they're not going to go to the lows for no reason. Most likely, they're going to stop these guys out that went long right here back in December. Okay. So that's what we're looking at with a Bitcoin. All right. It's just obvious. All right. We had resistance right here. We had a nice little breakout. I'm quite sure that a lot of people that went long right here didn't take their profits. I hope you guys took your profits. Anybody that's watching my live stream, because the next day, probably the next day, wiped out. So this is a wipeout continuation right here. And if this continuation continue to go down, most likely they're gonna get wiped these guys out and go right back to maybe 34, 33, maybe bounce a little bit more, find resistance somewhere just to go right back down. All right. So, it is what it is. We are still in the bear market. Okay, guys. That's why I tell you guys, don't get too excited. It's just what it is. Learn how to read the charts, and you guys would be okay. What else? What's the other thing I want to talk about? Another thing I was talking about is, you know, when we had this bounce, you know, I kept telling you guys that, you know, I truly believe that these guys want to keep this as low as possible. Okay, notice when we had this pump right here. Okay, just go back to my, you know, my videos. I kept saying, you know, most likely these guys want to keep this as low as possible. Okay, and what I mean by that is basically I didn't believe that they wanted to go all the way up to 48 or 55 or 5,000, because that would be too high. Okay, because once they go right back down, it's going to be too obvious. When they keep it low as possible, I mean low, you know, low like this, they keep you guessing, keep you on your toes. All right, and that's what's going on right now. A lot of people are guessing, saying it's the bottom. I'm quite sure a lot of people are loading up right now. Some people really believe that this is the bottom, and it's a shame because they listen to YouTubers that don't know what they're talking about, and they probably buying. They probably got their tax return and probably bought some more, which is a shame, right? I hope you guys are learning your lesson when it comes to buying dips. That's a losing game. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. If you don't know what I'm talking about, okay? If you're new, you probably like, yo, what is this guy talking about, right? Well, you don't really have to understand what I'm talking about, okay? You just follow along, and then you will start to realize, okay, you know what? I think he's onto something. Because, you know, most of your YouTubers going to say, hey guys, hold on, you know, the bull market is coming soon. They've been saying that all year last year. They've been saying this year. So so this is what we have right here, guys. All right, now another thing I want to talk about, okay guys, I want to point out, we talked about this on my last live stream. Okay, honestly guys, I don't think nobody on YouTube is talking about this. Okay, I didn't see nobody on YouTube talk about this yet. All right, now look at the monthly chart, guys. Okay, let's look at the monthly chart, guys. All right, since this bear market started, what happened? Every single time we tried to go over the monthly bar, okay, what happens every time we try to break that monthly candle? Okay, the first try was in May. Okay, we went over this candle, so we broke the top of this green candle right here, and boom, we sold off. Okay, in July, we broke the high of this candle right here. We broke the high, you see, we broke the high and we sold off. Okay. Okay, now we are in what? February, guys. We broke the high of this bar, and guess what, guys? We're selling off right now. No one is talking about this. So just be careful if you really, you know, think that this is the bottom. We're gonna moon up 50K, you know, blah blah blah. Just be careful. Okay. Now, do we have to sell off just because we've been doing that all along? No, you know. But, you know, at this notice, as soon as we went above this high, boom, sold off. Okay, a lot of selling. All right, so keep that in mind. Another thing I want to talk about, okay, another thing I want to talk about is XRP. All right. XRP had what is that? That stupid we call that a stupid Coinbase listing, right? And guess what? Pop. So I said to myself, whoa, that's not really good. Okay, XRP is getting good news. especially from Coinbase. That's not really good, because we all know, since this whole, all throughout this bear market, when we get good news, okay, and the market actually reacts to it, that's a sign to sell that baby. That's a sign to sell it. All right, and when we had this big green bar, I was like, whoa, most likely they're gonna sell this, sell this right away, and they're selling it right now. So be careful, because if you look at this is a big channel right here, so we can actually break out of this channel. Okay, now are we gonna break hard out of this channel? I don't know. It might be a soft break where it is something like this. We break a little bit, right, just to pull back to the breakout and continue to go right back down. So keep that in mind, because right now everything is looking weak. I didn't really look at these other charts. I'm just looking at Bitcoin and XRP. Litecoin might be doing a head and shoulder right here. And I told you guys, Litecoin is actually forming a flag on a daily chart. So if this flag, if Litecoin completes this flag, then this is an ugly situation right here. It could be an ugly situation. Ethereum, like I said, I'm not really gonna go over too many coins, but Ethereum hit the top of this and hit this trend line right here, so that's double resistance. Litecoin, like I said, I'm not really gonna go over these other charts. So let's go to these questions. I might keep these live streams short now, maybe just for like a half an hour or so. But what's going on, Richard, J.A., Eric Park, Best Trader, Davina, JDM, Muhammad, Frederick? What's going on, guys? Thanks a lot for coming through. If you guys have any questions, type it in. Best Trader said, I'm not buying or shorting. I need more confirmation. I hear you, bro. I hear you. What's going on, Richard? I'm chilling. JDM said, I was shorted Litecoin yesterday, 96 gains, easy money. Shout out to you. Ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. All right. JDM said, remember I called this pump a few weeks ago? Yeah, man. Muhammad, what's going on? Yeah, man. Like guys, let's be honest. Let's be honest, guys. Right. This is a bear market. Okay, so every pump in the bear market, okay, you gotta look to short it. Okay, some pumps last longer than other pumps. Okay, so some pumps just might go up higher than the last one, but always look to short pumps, because most likely they are not going to last. We are still in the bear market. Edward Park said, I'm glad I did take profits, man. Let me give you ka-ching, man. Shout out to you, bro. Peter May 3x the course in the last 2 days. Great feeling, man. Shout out to you, bro. And if you don't know who he's talking about, these are my students. Check out this course. Support the channel. Okay. Support the channel and support yourself by learning. I just put the link into the Discord. Into the chat room. By learning the charts. All right. This course will help you make money in the bear market and the bull market. All right. If you don't know how to make money now, then this is the course for you. The great thing about this course is the skills and strategies that you learn from this, you can use in other markets. And I have a lot of students that's trade in other markets too, like Forex. If crypto, is slow, we trade Forex, commodities, equities. So check that out. Right now, the Discord is half off. All right. Right now, the original price is $300. Is on my live stream is half off right now. Once I get off, it's gonna go back to 300. Check that out. It comes with a private Discord, so check that out. Let me see if I see any more questions. JDM said, Ben, keeping it up is a good thing. We can short it. Yes. We can short. We can go against the best trader. The best trader loves to go long, so we can go against him. Shout out to the best trader. So while he's buying it, we just take his money. Oh man. What's going on, Sean? Leonard waiting for Bitcoin to drop 1,000, then buying and riding it to the. Nah, Leonard, bro, trust me on this, Leonard. Trust me on this. Don't load up on 1,000, bro. Trust me, bro. Do not do that, man. Please. Leonard, I'm looking out for you, Leonard, and I'm looking out for anybody that's on this live stream. If it goes to 1,000, please do not load up. But if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Okay, especially if you're tired of losing, if you're down 80% or more, if you're scared, if you're nervous, if you are confused, don't know what you're talking about, don't know what you're doing, tired of listening to other YouTubers that don't know what they're talking about, hit that subscribe button right now. All right. If you have any questions, you can type it in. Like I said, most likely I'm gonna keep these live streams short for now. Probably like a half an hour or so. But is this a buy or this is a sell? Right now, it's definitely not a buy. Okay, and the sellers are in control. Sellers are in control right now. We had resistance right here. We had a nice pump into resistance just to stop you guys out. Okay, it was just a trick. Okay, a pump fake. A fake breakout. Boom, boom. Just like that. Took your money just like that. All right. Now, if you was quick enough, hopefully you took profits. And I told you guys, all this year, that the guys that's making money are the guys that swing trade in this market, not the guys that's saying, "Hey, man, yeah, Q1, Q2, Q3, the bulls is coming in." No, those are the guys that are not making money at all. I don't care about Q1, Q2, 2020, 2021. I care about right now, in the moment. Okay? Leonard said, Ben, how long do you think the bear market will last? It's very hard. Okay, but I tell you this, Leonard, I'm telling you this, like I said, I'm not giving anyone financial advice, but bro, please. See, the thing was, what's gonna happen, right? Or what could happen if it goes to 1,000, right? Or anything, or anywhere near it, right? One of these numbers, one of these numbers, we're gonna have a crazy rally. I don't know what number is it. Okay, I don't know what number. You know, it could be 1,500. It could be 1,000. Okay, but we're gonna have a crazy rally. Okay, so let's say it hits 1,000, right? All right, we're gonna have a crazy rally, and the rally is gonna seem real. Okay, it's gonna seem real. We're gonna make lower highs, all right? We even gonna make higher highs, all right? And it's gonna probably last for a good 2 to 3 months, or even more, just to go right back down. See, the thing is, most people don't understand it. You know, just think about this, all right? Bitcoin went up to pretty much 20,000, right? If it goes all the way back to 1K, bro, that's a hard hit, right? Hard, bro. Like, literally, like, that's almost like getting hit by Mike Tyson with an uppercut. Okay, you're not getting up fast, all right? Just to imagine that, all right? Imagine you getting hit so hard, bro. Like, you know, you're not gonna get up fast. It's just not how it's gonna work. Okay, so you might try to get up the first time. You know, the first time you get hit with that uppercut, you try to get up, and guess what? You get up, and what happens? You fall right back down. You fall right back down because what? You're dizzy, you're weak. Okay, that's what's gonna happen. Okay. If it goes all the way back down, bro, we're going to try to get up. We're going to try to get up just to fall right back down. And most likely it's going to just flatline for a long time. Okay, this is a hard hit, bro. And not only that, if it goes to 1,000, right, I expect it to go lower than that. So I expect it to go lower than 1,000. So it's going to be a mess, all right? I will not be a buyer at 1,000. All right, you guys really have to understand how the market works. Okay, you don't have to. You don't pick magic numbers and say, okay, 1,000 is a good number. Okay, I'm gonna buy it now. No, you just wait. Just wait for confirmation. That's the best thing to do. This is the best way to play this market. All right, so I'm about to get out of here. Let me see if I see any more questions, but I'm about to get out of here, guys. What's going on, Jason? Ben, there's one YouTuber who sticks to the chart like you and said XRP is going to 5 cents. Firmly believes that. I believe XRP is going to most likely hit. I'm trying to get a good chart. Let me see if I get a decent chart. Yeah, I mean, XRP most likely is going to hit, you know, most likely is going to go below 10 cents. And like I said, if Bitcoin goes to that 1,000 mark, yeah, 5 cents is very doable. Very doable. All right, so guys, thanks a lot for stopping by. Let me give you guys a round of applause. If you guys don't have the course by now, check it out. It comes with a private Discord. If you have any questions, you can email me. Hey, what's going on, Kirky? I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good, bro. You know, if you guys are late, you can catch that replay. You catch that replay. I hope you guys had a great weekend. And I hope you guys are studying the chart. I really do. I hope you guys are not playing that game thinking that the bull market is coming next year. Okay, I hope you guys are not playing that game, bro. I'm telling you right now, I'm telling you, it's like 95% of the crypto investors gonna. Most of these guys are probably gonna get wiped out. You know, right? Most of these guys are doing it wrong. They thinking the bull market is gonna come 2020, and then when it doesn't come 2020, guess what? They're gonna say 2021, and when it doesn't come 2021, they're gonna say 2022. Don't play that game, guys. It's just horrible. It's a crazy game. It's just not a game you want to play. The best game you want to play is, you know, controlling your destiny, controlling the amount of money you want to come in. Okay, the only way you can do that is by trading the market. That's it. It's just what it is. All right, so guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Just most likely expect probably some more lows with this if we don't find support. Okay, if we don't find support right here, just expect more lows. Okay, most likely probably stopping these guys out right here. All right. We might have another stupid week or two just consolidating. Oh man. But anyway, guys, like I said, if you have any questions, you can you can email me. TRX is about to fall off the cliff. Yeah, man. All right. But yeah, Leonard, you know, I don't know how long the bear market will last, but I tell you this, it can last for 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years. You know, I don't got that much time to be, you know, wasting. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day, and stay safe. Continue to study, improve, and talk to you guys later. And have a great day.